ChatGPT just changed the game for anyone who makes presentations, and I don't think most people have caught on yet. This one's huge, it's stupid easy to use, and OpenAI just rolled it out to everyone. Stick with me, because by the end of this, you're going to know exactly how to use it. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business, and he makes videos on the latest AI news, so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. Okay, so here's what actually happens. ChatGPT now works inside Microsoft PowerPoint. Not next to it, not in a separate tab, inside it. You open PowerPoint and ChatGPT is right there building slides for you as you go. Before this update, if you wanted ChatGPT's help with a deck, you had to open ChatGPT, get your text out of it, copy it, paste it into PowerPoint, and then go fix all the formatting yourself by hand. Some days that took hours just to get one deck looking right. Now, you just type what you want directly inside PowerPoint and it builds the slides for you right there. And this isn't locked behind some expensive plan either. It's live right now on Frigo Plus, Pro Business, Enterprise EDU, and even the K-12 plans. So no matter what you're paying for right now, you can go try this today. Let me walk you through what this thing actually does, because it's more than just one trick. First, it can build a whole presentation out of nothing. You type one sentence, something like create a presentation about how to start a faceless YouTube channel, and it builds the entire deck. Titles, bullet points, structure, the whole thing, done in minutes. Second, it edits decks you already have sitting around. Say you've got an old course outline or a pitch deck from a while back. You just tell it shorten this slide or make this sound more professional, and it rewrites it right there on the spot. Third, it can turn documents into slides. Got a PDF, a Word doc, or just a pile of research notes, upload it, and ChatGPT pulls out the important parts and turns it into a real deck with titles, bullet points, and even speaker notes. Fourth, it can read a presentation you already have and tell you what it's actually about. So if you've got some 100 slide deck buried in a folder somewhere and you don't feel like scrolling through it, you just ask it, what is this presentation about? And it gives you the answer in seconds. And fifth, it helps with the design side too. It's not going to replace an actual designer, but it can reorganize slides, clean up messy layouts, and rewrite headlines so they actually sound sharper. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Now, here's why this matters more than it sounds like on the surface. People spend anywhere from 2 to 8 hours building a single presentation. That's a real chunk of a workday, sometimes a whole weekend, just formatting slides. Now, the first draft of that same deck can happen in a couple of minutes. Think about what that actually means. If you're building course content, client presentations, sales decks, training material, anything like that, you just got a massive chunk of your time back. Time you were spending clicking boxes and lining up text is now time you can spend actually improving the content, or honestly, just building more of it. And here's something people sleep on. This isn't just OpenAI adding some random little feature. This is OpenAI building directly into the tools you already use every single day. First, it showed up inside your documents. Now it's inside PowerPoint. That means less switching between 5 different tabs, less copying and pasting things back and forth, and a lot more actual work getting done in the time you've got. Let me give you a few real prompts you could actually go type today, because I don't want this to just be theory. You could type, create a 12-slide presentation explaining how to sell digital products for beginners, and it builds the whole thing out for you. You could type, turn this PDF into a presentation, upload your notes, and it turns into slides in seconds. You could type, rewrite this presentation for investors, which is great if you're pitching a bigger client or trying to raise money for something. You could type, reduce this 40 slide presentation into 10 slides, which is perfect when you've got a long training deck and you need the short version for a quick client call. Or you could type, add speaker notes for every slide. So when you're actually presenting, you know exactly what to say on each one without fumbling around. Now, I want to be straight with you here because I'm not the guy who hypes up every single AI tool that comes out just to get views. This one has real limits. It doesn't perfectly design every single slide. Some layouts are still going to need your eye on them before you send anything out. Complex animations might not carry over the way you'd expect. Custom fonts and templates can get messed with in the process, and if your prompt is vague, it might cut content you actually wanted to keep in there. So here's the rule. Always check your presentation before you send it to a client or present it live in front of anyone. Don't skip that step just because the AI did the first draft. Fast doesn't always mean finished. So who actually benefits from all this? Students building assignments and class presentations, office workers putting together weekly reports and sales decks, startups building pitch decks for investors, teachers building lecture slides and training material, and content creators building sponsored decks and course material, which, if you're anything like me, is a big part of the game right now. And here's the bigger use case that most people are sleeping on. If you're building and selling any kind of digital product, course, or coaching offer, you can now build a full sales presentation or a pitch deck for a potential client or partner in minutes instead of days. You upload your research, you tell ChatGPT to build a proposal or a sales deck around it, and you show up with something that looks clean and professional without spending your entire weekend making it. So to wrap this up, ChatGPT now lives directly inside PowerPoint. It builds decks from scratch, it edits old ones, it turns your documents into slides, and it can summarize presentations you already have sitting around. It's live on every single plan right now, so there's genuinely no reason not to go try this today. Just remember the one rule: always check your slides before you present them or send them out. The AI is fast, but it's still not perfect, and a messy slide in front of a client can undo all the time you just saved. This is exactly the kind of update that separates the people building faster from the people still doing everything the slow, manual way. And if you've been putting off building your own presentations, decks, or course content because it felt like too much work, that excuse just got a whole lot weaker. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.